In today's lesson, we'll be learning about triangles. There are three types of triangles. The first one is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has sides which are all equal. These symbols indicate that all three sides are equal. Furthermore, all three interior angles are equal. They also all add up to 180 degrees. An isosceles triangle has two sides, which are equal. In this case, only two interior angles are equal. However, all three interior angles also add up to 180 degrees. In a scalene triangle, all three sides are different lengths. The interior angles are also all different. However, they also add up to 180 degrees. In our first example, we need to figure out the measure of this unknown angle. We know that the interior angles of any triangle should add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, we can make an equation to represent this. The unknown angle plus 30 degrees plus 40 degrees should equal 180 degrees. Once we have an equation, we can identify like terms. 30, 40, and 180 are all like terms. I'm going to move the 40 and 30 to the other side of the equation. When they move to the other side of the equation, they are no longer positive and they are both now negative. Simplifying this equation should be pretty simple. 180 subtract 30 subtract 40 should give you 110 degrees. Therefore, the unknown angle is 110 degrees. In our second example, we are given a triangle where the interior angles are expressions and not actual numbers. However, we know that the interior angles of any triangle add up to 180 degrees. We can begin by making an equation to represent the situation. 2x added to 11x plus 2 added to 4x plus 8 should equal 180 degrees. Now that we have an equation, we can identify like terms. 2x, 11x, 4x are all like terms, while 2, 8, and 180 are also like terms. I'm going to move 2 and 8 to the other side of the equation. When I move them to the other side of the equation, they are no longer positive anymore. They are now both negative. I'm going to simplify the terms on the left side of the equation. 2x plus 11x plus 4x is 17x. Meanwhile, I'm going to simplify the terms on the right side of the equation. 180 subtract 2 subtract 8 gives you 170. We can now solve this equation by dividing both sides by 17. These 17s cancel out, and 170 divided by 17 equals 10.